Okay, this is the first in a series of videos coming from the Dougherty Garden. Right now we're just concentrating on the Dougherty Hedge. I put this in many years ago as a barrier instead of putting up one of those wrought iron fences or other type of fence. I chose the hibiscus. My only trouble is every once in a while something like this happens, a piece will die. But during the period of the year we'll cut that off and get a new hibiscus at the bottom. But as you can see, you get a variety of colors when you do a hibiscus fence. Unlike a chain fence, which has just either black, gray, white, or something. But this is all the colors for most of the hibiscus that I have. And just last year we added another section, which is down here, and it's in the process of developing thicker root system and thicker branches so we can cut something off. This is the latest one. It's called I guess it's really not real true bloom, but it's just the way they bloom. And this type of hedge is perfect for a pot, this hibiscus, but I'm forcing it to become a hedge. And you can see there's another little color, but no colors on it today. And just yesterday, I noticed this one, the one hiding behind, was the one I've been trying to get for years, and so far, so good. So in order to make it survive, I'm going to change the height of the other ones and probably get about 20, 30 new hibiscus plants out of the process. And this is the other one I call the hibiscus orange. Not orange, excuse me, hibiscus Oscar, because of the unusualness of the pink bloom. And if I could just put my, you can't really see it from here, but basically that is my hibiscus. And here's the other two. These are the hibiscus that have a purple leaf on them. You can see remnants of them right now. They're doing rather poorly, but I'm not going to disturb it for this year because I just want to gently turn in. This is the and over here, that's a really going to be too keen on, but I put that by the fridge. This is the other hibiscus. And actually, we got two hibiscus here. I'm pretty sure this is Oscar too. But this is the other purple hibiscus with a purple leaf and a very dark purple flower, like the other green leaf with a green leaf and a dark purple flower. The last hibiscus I'm going to show you, come back here, that's not putting Eureka ring for a hedge before I decided on doing that, so what happens with that. And here's the other hibiscus. And for lack of a name at the moment, I call this the Ruth Red, or it could be the Snow Queen. Snow Queen has a little variegated version of a leaf. But that's the pretty flowers that come out all year long. So this is the other portion. And this is where my hibiscus hedge ends. And with that, I'll just drift up to show you what it looks like at the beginning. And here's a little blue one. It's not a hibiscus. I call it blue days, but for life me, I can't find a real name because it's evading me at the moment. There's my hibiscus, the agave, and my hibiscus hedge, as it looks, and about maybe 10 to 15 feet of hedge. And as you can see, all those pretty blooms up on the top. And here we go and get close to them, but that's what makes all year round a pretty hibiscus hedge. Thank you.